Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today we will study for grammar. Here there are some of sentences. Okay, listen carefully and repeat after me. I speak English.
I speak English.
You speak English.
You speak English.
We speak English.
We speak English.
They speak English.
They speak English.
He speaks English.
He speaks English.
She speaks English.
She speaks English.
Okay, okay. If I ask you, do I speak English? So you answer, yes, I speak English. Okay. Okay. Do I speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you speak English?
Yes, you speak English.
Okay. If I say, do I speak English? You answer, yes, you speak English. Sorry. If I ask, do you speak English? So you answer, yes, I speak English. Okay. Do I speak English?
Yes, you speak English.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do we speak English?
Yes, we speak English.
Do they speak English?
Yes, they speak English.
Does he speak English?
Yes, he speaks English.
Does she speak English?
Yes, she speaks English.
Okay, that's all for our material. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wow.